Guys, we're gonna get the boards dried up about yesterday, then put in a tractor. So I just gathered all the boards, but when it's wet you have to let it dry so it not much wet. See you later, update next video. Hello guys, I'm gonna start right now. I put some board right there, put some board right here, and put board on the bottom, and probably a little bit in the middle so I can staple the wires. I'm starting to put some screws. Hi pretty bird, how are you? So right now I'm working on the ladder. There you can see me. So I have to get my drill. Where's my bucket? It's right there. You can see me working. I just charged this battery, it died. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna guys, here's my update. So I'm digging up right here because I wanna go from here. I'm gonna put right here and right here around this end. So go straight there, the chicken wire, and we're gonna put the top of the board too. So I got on the bottom so they don't go, so you can put the chicken wire. I'm gonna put the middle wire here so you can put the chicken wire, and also right there so it's on the top. Okay guys, I'm gonna pull up this too high a little. Already dig that one and connected around. So see update. So guys, it's hard to be by yourself building like long boards, so I have to use ladder to hold off. So right now, so this is the update. Not yet finished. Did a lot of work. Board surround it. So put more boards. So I'm trying to put some screw here and let that ladder hold because it's too long board. This is my updated, my extension chicken house. So we'll be there, install the wire. So that's the one. Pretty good job, Acer. So that's the one, my extension. It's my door right there. Hello guys, this is my updated, my extension from my chicken run, and this is the one. And I'm gonna getting ready for the wire. I bought some wire. So this is the update for keep working every night. So right here, it's right there. I got my door, and this is that's the inside, and this is the outside. And then we're gonna go on front. So we'll go right here. So that's my wire. Need to put that. Already finished this one. I'm gonna put some wire all the way. So this is side, this front, and this is the side. Already get the wire here, and I'm gonna put some horse fence. That's it, guys, for watching. It worked out pretty good, my job building extension run for my chicken. Bye.
Yes.
Okay, finish. Click it. Hello guys, this is update on my extension run. It's quite almost finished. We already put the chicken warren and horse fence and everything is ready. Got door and only the top is the last part. Gonna made it. Everything is finished and all except the top. That's it. Chicken run. Except everything is covered up, wire, everything right there, everything. So that's my update for my chicken run, guys. Alas, been working long days and months for this project. Finally, it's almost done. Hard work got rewarded.